This bionic wheelbot is not only able to exhibit unique movements, it's likewise able to adapt perfectly to just about any environment and traverse even the toughest of terrains. But it's this robotic spy crab that's fast revolutionizing how we study animal behaviors, as well as taking our understanding of these crustaceans to unprecedented levels. In this video, we've detailed 20 amazing robot animals that will absolutely blow your mind. Number 20. Robot Dolphin. Now, just imagine walking into SeaWorld and being greeted by not only live animals, but by a pod of incredibly realistic robotic dolphins, jumping and flipping through the air just like their real counterparts. And while this may seem like a futuristic fantasy, the truth is, it could soon become a reality thanks to the incredible works of Edge Innovations. These robots are not only a substitute for their live counterparts, they're also a technological marvel and are already revolutionizing the way that we think about live animal shows and marine conservation. Using their advanced AI, sensors, and programming, they're able to learn and adapt to their environment, interact with humans, and even respond to commands.
The illusion of a live dolphin and the ability to interact with it.
These robotic dolphins from Edge Innovations are so advanced that they can mimic the behaviors and movements of real dolphins with stunning accuracy. And with over 3,000 live dolphins currently held in captivity for entertainment purposes, this company hopes that their robots will help to reduce the practice of keeping wild animals in captivity. In addition to these dolphins, the company has said that swimmers will likewise be able to dive with great robotic white sharks and even Jurassic-era reptiles from the sea from millions of years ago in the near future. Number 19. Robotic biohybrid zebrafish. The idea of a robotic fish paving the way to an artificial heart may seem like science fiction, but in the world of cutting-edge medical research, anything can be possible. A team of experts at Harvard is pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible, turning to a surprising source of inspiration, that being the humble zebrafish. Fish have always been known for their agility and grace in the water, but it's the mechanics of their tail that has captured the attention of scientists. By studying the way that fish move through the water, the researchers have discovered that there are some striking similarities between the way that fish swim and the way the human heart functions. To put their theory to the test, the scientists have created a biohybrid zebrafish using a combination of paper, gelatin, and human cardiac cells. And remarkably, when these tiny robotic fish are then placed in a nutrient-rich liquid environment, they're able to swim continuously for over 100 days. While there's still much work to be done before an artificial heart becomes a reality, the research being conducted at Harvard has been widely considered a promising step forward. The biohybrid zebrafish is yet another instance of AI and robotics playing a crucial role in finding a lasting solution to a pertinent human problem. Number 18. Crab Microbot. Nature's fondness for crabs has puzzled scientists for many years. While the reason behind it is still unknown, some experts speculate that the unique shape of crabs provides them with a wide range of benefits. So, taking inspiration from nature and by the crab's unique features, an international team of scientists has developed tiny robots that move like crabs. These sub-millimeter robots are made from a material that can be programmed to remember its original shape and deform in response to light. By shining a laser on the robots, the material relaxes and then deforms, causing the robot to move in a crab-like motion. But these microbots are not only for show, they have the potential to revolutionize medicine with their ability to navigate through the body and deliver targeted treatments. Just imagine a swarm of tiny crab-like robots all working together to remove cancer cells or repair damaged tissues inside the body. This tiny crab microbot is fast revolutionizing the field of biomimicry, the practice of imitating nature to solve human problems, and the endless possibilities that come with studying and learning from the natural world. Who knows what other secrets nature may have in store for us? The possibilities are endless, and the future is full of promise. Number 17. Cyborg Ray. Meet the incredible cyborg creation, a stingray powered by a rat's heart, but designed to move like a real-life stingray. It's unlike anything else that you've ever seen before. This cutting-edge technology uses genetically engineered muscle cells that respond to light cues to help propel the stingray's body throughout the water, mimicking the movement of a real stingray. The stingray's unique gold skeleton stores energy and moves the fins upward depending upon the pulses and frequency of the light show, giving its controller complete access over the direction and speed of the creature. This cyborg creation has become yet another remarkable example of how technology can blend with biology in order to create something truly extraordinary. However, this ray is not only a technological feat, it also has the potential to revolutionize medical science. By studying how heart muscles move in the stingray, scientists can learn more about how to create synthetic pumps for humans using a hybrid of organic and mechanical elements. This little stingray could be the key to making life-saving medical advancements, the likes of which we could never before imagine. The stingray is a biological life form in some ways, a machine in others. It cannot reproduce, but it's undoubtedly alive, perfectly balancing its organic and man-made matter in one. Number 16. Mini Cheetah Robot. This is the newest addition to the Boston Dynamics family, an incredible, agile, and versatile four-legged robot that can do backflips and run with ease. While it may look similar to the company's famous robot dog Spot, this robot has been specifically designed for a unique research purpose and was developed in collaboration with DARPA. One of the key features of this robot is its robust frame and body, which are built to withstand rigorous testing and experimentation without the fear of damage or breaking. The powerful actuators allow researchers to test controllers and perform experiments with ease and without the fear of damaging the robot, making it an invaluable tool for studying movement and robotics. What really sets this robot apart is its unparalleled strength and durability. It can navigate environments with ease and grace, whether it's running on grass or ice. Its movements are incredibly fluid and natural, which makes it a valuable asset for researchers who are studying locomotion and biomechanics. This robot is the perfect example of how technology and robotics can be used to advance our understanding of the world around us. With its impressive capabilities and versatility, it's sure to be a valuable tool for researchers and scientists for many years to come. Number 15. Magnetic Tentacle Robot. The idea of using machines to explore the human body without having to cut it open has always been an alluring one, and one that's captivated the imagination of scientists for many decades. However, developing such technology has been a significant challenge, as the devices need to be small, flexible, and yet powerful enough to navigate through the complex structure of the body's internal organs. To overcome these challenges of accessing the intricate internal organs of our body, especially the lungs, scientists from the University of Leeds have once again turned to nature for their inspiration. This time, they've carefully examined how tentacled animals, such as the octopus, navigate throughout narrow spaces, the result of which is a groundbreaking robot called the Magnetic Tentacle Robot, which perfectly mimics the tentacles of these animals. This novel invention uses a rubbery elastomer that is flexible and maneuverable, and also has magnetic particles which can be controlled via an external magnetic controlling device. This way, the robot can make its way deep into the lungs or any other body part without being manually manipulated by a surgeon. And once inside the body, the tentacle's movements are entirely autonomous, as it follows a predetermined plan to navigate through the lung's complex structure. The potential for this technology is vast, and it could revolutionize the field of medicine in the years to come. Number 14. Shanghai Robotic Shark. This robotic shark was created by researchers at China's Aerospace Science and Industry Corps, and it's a fascinating sight to behold. Since its debut at the Shanghai Shang Ocean Park, visitors have been flocking to witness this incredible feat of engineering. The shark's lifelike movements and accurate depiction of a real shark's physical features has made it a must-see attraction for those who are interested in aquatic life. Despite its impressive size of 4.7 meters, the robotic shark can move at a speed of 42 meters per minute, making it almost as fast as some of its biological counterparts. It's powered by a lithium battery, which allows it to swim, turn, float, and dive just like a real shark would. and the robot's mouth and gills can open and close, providing a realistic simulation of a real shark's breathing and feeding processes. The researchers behind the project have plans to develop more robotic aquatic animals based on the feedback that they've received from the public and experts. These robotic aquatic animals will be used for hydrological survey, environmental inspection, and underwater photography, giving researchers a unique perspective on underwater life. As it stands, one undeniable fact is that as more of these biomimetic robot fish are developed and refined, they'll greatly revolutionize how we study and understand underwater life. Number 13. Bionic Wheelbot. The Bionic Wheelbot is a mind-blowing marvel of engineering. This unique robot takes inspiration from the incredible flick-flack spider, known for its unique cartwheeling movements. This movement pattern allows it to move quickly and efficiently across varied terrain. By mimicking this movement, the Bionic Wheelbot is able to adapt to its environment in such a way that no other robot has been able to before. Festo, the company behind the Bionic Wheelbot, is no stranger to innovative design. They have long been at the forefront of bionic learning, exploring new ways to incorporate the natural world into their designs. The Bionic Wheelbot is just the latest in a long line of incredible creations. One of the most impressive things about the Bionic Wheelbot is its ability to switch seamlessly between rolling and walking. This makes it incredibly versatile and able to navigate everything from smooth and level surfaces to rocky and uneven terrain. And because it can move with such ease, it can also go places that many other robots simply cannot. The Bionic Wheelbot's design is incredibly resilient. It features a sturdy frame and advanced sensors, which allow it to withstand even the most challenging climbs, making it an ideal choice for exploring rugged environments like mountains and deserts. Number 12. Soft Octobot. Robotic cephalopods are the future of robotics and can potentially revolutionize the field. Although the first Octobot would be developed in 2017, the technology behind robotic cephalopods has now undergone great advancements. These robots can no longer only navigate tight spaces, but also change their shape and configuration as needed. Just like a real octopus, their soft and boneless bodies allow them to move and contort in ways that rigid animals cannot. They can squeeze through small openings, wrap themselves around objects, and even change their skin color and texture to blend in with their surroundings. The potential applications for soft robots are numerous. For example, a soft robot could navigate through rubble and debris in search and rescue operations to locate survivors. They could also explore underwater environments where hard-bodied robots might be too bulky and inflexible to maneuver effectively. The maiden technology behind the improved versions of soft robots is likewise fascinating. The microfluidic logic circuit that's inside of the robot is a breakthrough in fluid dynamics. This circuit works like a circuit board, directing pressure to different parts of the robot as is needed. The chemical reaction inside of the robot that changes hydrogen peroxide into gas is another technological marvel. As scientists continue to develop and refine this technology, we may see more and more the applications for soft robots in various fields, from medicine to construction, and perhaps even space exploration. Number 11. Robotic Millipede. This tiny robotic millipede, created by researchers in Hong Kong, is a revolutionary innovation that is set to change the way that drugs are administered into the body. Unlike traditional methods that can be invasive and painful, this little soft caterpillar-like robot can navigate through the body with ease and precision. The robot's design is based on the leg structures of hundreds of ground animals, and its legs have a perfect length and gap ratio of 1:1. This design allows the robot to experience 40 times less friction than a limbless robot in both wet and dry environments. This also makes it extremely efficient and allows it to move through the body effortlessly. What's more, this robot can be remotely controlled using electromagnetic force, and that means that doctors can guide it to specific locations within the body, such as a tumor, and administer drugs directly to the affected area. This not only makes drug administration more precise, but also reduces the risk of side effects that are associated with traditional methods. While the thought of a robot crawling around in your body may seem a bit unsettling, The benefits of this innovation are hard to ignore. The robot millipede can revitalize drug administration, making it more efficient, precise, and less invasive. Number 10. Robot Dragonfly. Inspired by the complex flight capabilities of dragonflies, this small ultralight UAV, developed by Festo, is far more advanced than your usual drone. While most drones can only fly in one direction, the Dragonfly robot is capable of flying in any direction, even backwards. It also has incredible turning acceleration as well as hover and gliding capabilities, but what's even more stellar is that it can achieve all of this without having to beat its wings. The Dragonfly robot from Festo is likewise the first aircraft to combine the flight capabilities of a helicopter, a plane, and a glider all in one. The company hopes that by better understanding the flight strategies of dragonflies, they can apply these principles to solve many engineering problems within the industrial world. One of the most impressive features of this amazing robot animal is its real-time communication abilities. It's remote-controlled and is capable of continuously exchanging information and evaluating multiple sensor inputs to identify complex events in critical states. This level of communication and evaluation is something that has never been seen before in the world of drones. This robot is a testament to Festo's commitment in creating and innovating in equal measure, and Festo is sure to continue pushing the boundaries of what is possible with their Dragonfly-inspired technology. Number 9. Spacebok. Dogs may have paved the way for space exploration, but now their robotic counterparts are taking center stage. While we've sent countless machines into space, from probes to rovers, the development of animal-inspired robots offers a unique opportunity to explore other worlds more efficiently and safely than ever before. One such robot is the quadrupedal Spacebok, created by a team of students from ETH Zurich and ZHAW Zurich. Modeled after the movements of animals on Earth, the Spacebok is designed to use dynamic gaits, which allows all 4 of its limbs to leave the ground, making it better suited to navigate low-gravity environments like the Moon or Mars. Of course, designing and programming such a robot is no easy feat. Engineers had to take into account not only the unique challenges of space exploration, but also the intricacies of animal movement. It would not be until recently that the technology existed to replicate these dynamic gaits in robots, making Spacebok's development a groundbreaking achievement in the field of robotics. As we look to the future of space exploration, robots like the Spacebok may become an essential tool in our efforts to explore and understand the universe. Spacebok represents the next generation of space exploration and a new era of scientific discovery. Number 8. Spider Necrobots. Scientists at Rice University have taken robotics to a whole new level by using dead spiders as the basis for a new type of robot gripper. While the concept may seem a bit creepy, their process of creating these robots is actually fascinating. By using the natural hydraulic system found in living spiders, the researchers were able to create a unique and efficient way to manipulate objects. The team inserted a syringe into the spider's body cavity and then injected it with a small amount of air, which created a new hydraulic system, allowing the legs to extend and contract. This process gave the dead spider a second life, albeit in the robotic form, and the resulting robot grippers could grasp fragile objects with a surprising level of dexterity. The researchers envision a range of applications for their necrobotic grippers, which includes the collection and transport of biological samples from remote or dangerous areas. The team believes that the natural gripping ability of spiders, combined with the unique hydraulic system they've created, makes these robots ideal for handling delicate materials. Overall, this robotic creation is yet another demonstration of the incredible potential of biomimicry in robots, and also highlights the fascinating ways in which scientists are pushing boundaries in this interesting field. Number 7. Robot Eel. The robotic eel has been described as a technology that's ahead of its time by many experts. This robot is designed to perfectly navigate through the most treacherous and contaminated of waters. Its sleek and streamlined body is capable of moving effortlessly through currents, propelled by a powerful yet silent motor. Equipped with an array of sensors and testing equipment, the robotic eel is capable of analyzing even the smallest water sections to detect sources of pollution. Its sophisticated technology can pick up on the most minute changes in water quality, enabling it to pinpoint the exact location of contaminants. The development of this groundbreaking technology was the result of the collaboration of a diverse group of experts, which included engineers, biologists, and chemists. Together, they worked tirelessly to create a robot that could contribute to environmental conservation efforts and bring about positive change in the world. The robot can be controlled remotely, allowing operators to direct its movements and ensure that it reaches its target destination. Alternatively, the robotic eel can operate autonomously, freely exploring the waterways and sending data back in real time. The robotic eel is also incredibly environmentally friendly and does not contribute to pollution in any kind of way. The robot now represents a significant step forward in the fight against water pollution on a global scale. Number 6. Robotic Spy Crab. As the sun rises over the pristine beaches of Christmas Island, mimic the behavior of its crab counterparts. At times, the spy crab must navigate treacherous terrain, dodging vehicles and other obstacles, as it plays a crab version of the classic video game Frogger, with each leaving us all submerged in the extraordinary world of these fascinating creatures. Number 5. Animal. In 2009, a group of brilliant engineers at the Robotic Systems Lab of the ETH Zurich embarked upon a monumental task, creating a four-legged robot that could traverse harsh environments without human intervention. Fast forward to the present day, and the result of their tireless efforts is awe-inspiring. It's the Animal, a robot that has surpassed all expectation. With a sleek design and an impressive skill set, Animal is capable of running at breakneck speeds, conquering steep inclines, and even pressing elevator buttons with ease. But what really sets it apart from other robots is its advanced sensory system. Equipped with laser sensors and cameras, the robot can continuously create a highly detailed map of its surroundings, which allows it to carefully navigate through even the most treacherous of terrain. Despite weighing in at around 30 kilograms, Animal is an incredibly strong machine that can carry a payload of up to 10 kilograms with ease. What's more, on a single battery charge, this remarkable robot can run for an impressive 2 hours. Now, it's no wonder that Animal has attracted the attention of the world, with the ETH spin-off Robotics distributing and further developing this incredible piece of technology. Animal is undoubtedly a true marvel of modern engineering, paving the way for a new generation of autonomous robots that can handle even the toughest of challenges imaginable. Number 4. BionicKangaroo. Festo, the renowned robotics company, never fails to amaze anyone with their animal-inspired creations. The latest addition to the portfolio is the incredible BionicKangaroo, which is an engineering marvel in every sense of the word. Taking inspiration from the kangaroo's jumping mechanisms, Festo has recreated the animal's unusually long back legs in their BionicKangaroo, which allows it to increase its speed without consuming more energy. In the world of robotics, energy consumption is a major concern. However, with the BionicKangaroo, Festo has found a way to use the power that's generated by the recreated back legs, which can be recovered, stored, and retrieved. This technology has immense potential in the field of industrial automation, where knowledge about energy recovery and storage plays a massive role. With its ability to generate, store, renew, and regenerate energy, the BionicKangaroo represents a significant breakthrough in the world of robotics and automation. Imagine a world where robots could generate their energy, store it, and then use it whenever required without having to rely on an external power source. Festo's BionicKangaroo is a step in that direction, opening up new possibilities for the future of robotics and automation. Number 3. Bionic Ants. Imagine a world where robotic ants scurry about factories, carrying out tasks with incredible efficiency and precision. These mechanical insects are not only impressive in their ability to communicate and cooperate like their natural counterparts, but they also have an eye for detail and the big picture. Each robotic ant has been designed to mimic the delicate anatomy of a real ant, but with added technological capabilities. The engineers at Festo have incorporated the cooperative behavior of these creatures into their robotic counterparts, which creates a world where these incredible little creatures work together seamlessly. Using complex control algorithms, the robotic ants communicate with each other, coordinate their actions and movements, and make autonomous decisions that are always subordinate to the common objective of solving the task at hand. They follow clear rules and guidelines, just like real ants do in their colonies, and the implications of this technological breakthrough are immense. Factories of the future could benefit greatly from the efficiency and coordination that robotic ants provide. These tiny machines could be used to carry out complex manufacturing processes, navigate difficult terrain, or even be deployed in search and rescue missions. As we continue to study and develop these robotic ants, we may discover even more ways to harness their incredible abilities. And who knows, we may one day see entire armies of robotic ants working together to solve the world's most pressing issues. Number 2. Octophant. This bionic motion robot is yet another groundbreaking bionic concept that's been created by Festo. Drawing inspiration from the flexibility and dexterity of an elephant's trunk and an octopus's tentacles, this lightweight pneumatic robot boasts an impressive 12 degrees of freedom, which allows it to move in ways that were previously impossible for a robot to do. Now, this robot is not only agile and powerful, it also has the ability to carry a payload of up to 3 kilograms. Its innovative fiber technology, which was inspired by the muscle fibers found in an octopus's tentacles, provides the robot with a skin that is both strong and flexible. This also means that the robot can exploit the full power potential of its kinematics, moving in 3 different directions simultaneously with ease. Just imagine the possibility of having such a robot in your home or workplace. With its flexible and nimble movements, the bionic motion robot could assist with tasks such as cleaning hard-to-reach areas, picking up and carrying objects, and even performing delicate surgery. Its lightweight design also means that it's safe to work alongside humans, which makes it an ideal candidate for the collaborative efforts in industries such as manufacturing and logistics. This robot is sure to be a game changer in the world of robotics. Number 1. Chip, the mini robot dog. Meet Chip, the mini robot dog that is taking the world by storm. Chip may be small, but don't let its size fool you. This little pup is packed with personality and high-tech features. Chip is a robot dog that's designed to be your perfect companion. It can respond to touch, sound, and even your voice. And with its AI-powered technology, Chip can learn and recognize your voice, making it even easier to interact with. This little pup also loves to play and can keep up with even the most active of pet owners. It can perform tricks like rolling over, playing fetch, and it can even dance. Chip is perfect for all ages and makes for a great addition to any family. Its advanced technology and playful personality will have everyone falling in love with it. And because of its small size, it can go anywhere with you. It's the perfect companion for those who are on the go, whether you're running errands or going on a road trip. And when it's time to recharge, Chip can even easily make its way to its own charging station, where it will then rest up and get re-energized for its next adventure. Which of these robot animals did you find the most interesting? Be sure to let us know your answers in the comments section down below.